So we starting off with Bitcoin as usual. We see Bitcoin has been continuing its uptrend and has recently broken out of the range that we've been saying that it's been in. And just like I said from the last recording we did, we want to see what price does once it gets to this up here to this resistance range, because we'll just follow what it did. It sold here, it bought here. It sold here, it bought here. It sold here, it bought here. And this is a good example of what I was speaking about last week, when you can actually buy at a high. So in this situation, and I said that because there's a saying in the market where you sell high and you buy low. And what that example look like, you sell high and you buy low. You sell high and you buy low. And in this situation, you would be buying at the high. And the reason why you would do that is as such. Just look what Bitcoin has been doing. It's been in an uptrend, making higher highs, higher lows. It breaks above a high, and it comes back and retests that area. You see, it found resistance here. It broke above. It came back and retested the area for the buy. And this is that new high now. It broke above. It came back to find support at this area, and it went for the buy. The same thing here. If we make this zone, if we drew this zone out, it resisted here, so it's within the range. It broke above. It found support, and it bought up. So that's a good example of how, like I said, you can buy at a high. Because obviously this right here is a high. Because we had resistance here, found some slight resistance, and resistance here as well. But in this situation, you can actually buy at a high instead of selling at the high. So those people found this 98 to be a good price for Bitcoin. They end up buying, and price shot up. Now Bitcoin is hovering around 100, nearly 102. So before we get further in it, let's do our top-down analysis. Look at it from the monthly. So the monthly is coming in strong. We're still early in the month. Week as well. We had 2 bullish weeks so far to start this year off. So a level, a level that we want to be paying attention to is 104, almost 105. So I'm actually gonna set an alert right here because it's a level we want to be paying attention to. Set an alert because we see price closed here, open here. Like I explained before, it did make a footprint. It did push up. It did make a wick. However, it closed below. So this is a significant price that we want to watch for. See if price rejects here, or price breaks above and continue to buy from there. At 104 range. I think I skipped daily. We actually broke above this high, and that's that resistance we were showing. So I'm actually gonna erase these, but yeah. The next thing that we should be looking for is for Bitcoin to continue doing what it's been doing, which is coming back to retest those highs and find support. This is a high that we have, so if Bitcoin makes its way back down to this level, we can potentially be watching to see what it does do, so that we can potentially capitalize on the continuation. And if we look to our left, we see Bitcoin has made it to a resistance. We see this is pardon me, previous resistance here, and that's what we're currently at. So let's actually extend this over so we can have this for future reference. And it stopped right at it. Then we got this level here. But yeah, these are the levels that we watch for Bitcoin. But like I said, we're just taking a step at a time and just seeing what it do, seeing what it does over time. This live right here actually gonna be a short live because my son isn't feeling well. And I hear him in the bathroom, so we're gonna go check on him. But we looking at everything else as well. Bitcoin, like I said, we just want to see what it do. Good opportunity to buy. Oil, this is a good selling opportunity. We see it made it to our negative 27 on our field. Made a lower high right here. I mean, we broke this structure, retested it, and we're actually breaking this trend line now, and we're selling. So, what areas to be watching for is, of course, the low. This area here, this low as well. Then we have this area right here that we had from ways back, and of course this trend line. So, and since it did break this low, of course, if we retest, we could be looking for a good entry for a sell right here. Break, retest, continuation, and sell on down. Gold, like I said, I'm really studying it. But what we are seeing is gold is breaking structure. Double top resistance here, making a new low. We could potentially see gold continue to sell. Like I said, I'm pretty quick with it because I want to go check on my baby. But this is what we had so far. Quick analysis on Bitcoin. Watch and see what it do back in this red area here. Because we broke above. Let's see if Bitcoin come back, retest it, make some bullish variations for the buy. There'll be a good opportunity to accumulate more Bitcoin, or Bitcoin do what it did right here. Break above and come back into this range. So we just have to be patient with it. Like I said, set your alerts and just go from there. All right, thank you for showing up for yourself.